Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create a Maven project. First we will see what is Maven. Apache Maven is a software project management and comprehension tool based on the concept of project object model. We call it as a POM. Maven can manage a project's build, reporting and documentation from a central piece of information. Now let's see how we can create a Maven project. Here I am using Eclipse Oxygen. I am keeping my default workspace as it is. This is the welcome screen of Eclipse. I am just closing this. To create new project, just right click on Package Explorer, go to New Project. Here we have to search Maven and select this last option, that is the Maven project. Go to Next. In this demo we are going to create a simple project, so I am checking first checkbox. Click on Next. On this screen we have to fill this data. First is group ID. Group ID is like com or org dot, then company name. Then artifact ID is our project name and giving Maven project. Here you can select the snapshot version. By default it is showing 0.0.1 packaging, whether you want to create a jar or war, that you can select. Here I am keeping jar and clicking on finish. Now here you can see creating Maven project. Now Eclipse has created Maven project and it will create the source main Java, source main resources, source test Java, source test resources, these folders for us. Now in Java folder we will write our main classes. In resources, all resources will keep under resources. For testing our whatever classes we have written in this package, for testing those packages we will write our test cases inside test class, and for testing resources we will write our test cases in source/test/resources. If you open src, it will show same folder like main and test folder. Now this is a project object model. I am opening it. It is showing the forms overview. I am going to last tab, that is a form.xml. Whatever data we filled while creating project, the same thing it is showing here, like what is the group ID, what is the artifact ID, what is the version number, and if you want to add any dependency in this project, so that dependency declaration or management we do from this form.xml. So I will create one simple class inside Java. Just select the package, right click on it, go to new, selecting class. I'm giving class name as Maven project. Click on finish. It has created a Maven project class for me. I'll create simple method, that is public void show, and in this I am just printing. I'm typing here sysout, and if you press Ctrl and spacebar, it will automatically print system.out.println. It is a shortcut to print this line. I'm just saving it. And now to test this class, I'm going to create my test case inside a test package. Select package, go to new, create JUnit test case. I'm giving test case name as test Maven project. Click on finish. Now here I'm not going to add this JUnit 4 library to build path, so I'm selecting not now this option and click on OK. Now it has created this test Maven project for me, but Problem is that it has not added this test fail and JUnit dependency, so it is showing me error. Now to add this dependency, we will open Google, we will search JUnit dependency. It is showing the result of Maven repository JUnit. I am opening this link. So here it is showing the complete dependency, what is its JUnit's group ID, what is artifact ID, what is the current version and scope. I'm just copying it. Now I'm going to go to Eclipse. I'm opening form XML. Here we have to add this dependency. All dependency we should add inside dependencies tag. I'm adding dependencies tag. Just press Control space. Dependencies and I'm pasting the dependency. To format code, just select Ctrl A and Ctrl Shift F. It will format your code. Now here you can see there is some error in this class, and I have just added this dependency. And if you save this and pressing Ctrl S, here you can see it is building workspace and it has imported this jar, that is a JUnit 4.11 jar, and these errors are gone. If I open this class, you can see it's not showing any error for test, for this JUnit and for fail method. Like this you can add a dependency in a POM. Now again simply go to pom.xml and delete the dependency and just save your project. Now again you can see that jar has gone and it is showing me the error. Like this you can add dependencies or remove dependencies in a Maven project.